Yo, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. This is my first video, 2nd of January. We're going to be starting to make videos for the rest of the year and onwards, hopefully. Got a lot of content that I've got planned. Hopefully I'm going to get it all done, but I've got a lot planned with my Golf R. We've just arrived here in Sheffield at Cobra Sports Exhaust. We're going to be having some work done on the car. So I'm going to do a little bit of a show around of my car, do a standard stock sound, and then we'll do the aftermarket exhaust sound clip. And this is going to be my first model. I'm quite excited about it. I had this plan for quite a while now, so I'm glad that the time's come to get it all fitted. So yeah, let's go get it done. Right then, so let's go get this sorted. So that's pretty much my Golf as it is right now. I've got stuff planned for it, but just not sure what to do with it yet. My stickers have all come off. Look at this. The stickers are... I got some more to put on. We're all good. I guess they're the black ones, and there's silver. I'm gonna go silver. Stock system. Pretty much all the way straight until we get to here. So downpipe, cat, GPF. Okay, it's all done. That's really cool. Black box. There you go. Oh, mega. That is sick. Yeah, it looks really good.